Alright, well, I'm having problems with my Xbox. I have the Halo 3 Xbox, and I got Modern Warfare 2, and it only happens with Modern Warfare 2. I'll put it in, and it'll do this really fucking annoying sound. And I'm not sure if it's fucking up the disc or not. It doesn't look like it, but it just will not read the fucking disc at all. I think it's the Xbox. I'm not sure. But I don't know if it'll do it this time, because it's probably going to fuck me over not doing it anymore. But watch. Yes, he does that shit. And it won't work. So, when people open up their Xbox, they're fucking stupid. Because I have like 6 JTAGs. And every time I open that shit up, it just fucks it up more. Give it a sec. Just got it today, literally. I got it used. It was a little dirty. I never cleaned it. I'll try cleaning it and then redoing it. And whenever I put this game in and I turn my controller on, the Xbox will not work. Like, it'll just keep running and running and running and it won't work. I had it, the red ring to death when I first bought it, so it's funny because as soon as I turned it on, it didn't work. That's what we did. It won't even open anymore. It will, just give it a sec. Just give me a sec. Does this shit all the time. Now, I think since it's doing this, I have to close it. All that shit that you hear about opening up your Xbox and fixing the laser and banging on it. Banging on it worked for me for the longest time, but then it fucked it up eventually even more. See, it won't even turn off. No, it never gets hot. Fucking glue all over my Xbox. Just gonna let it turn off. Turn it back on. See how my controller's blinking. See, now it's doing it even more. Thank God it actually starts now. Oh shit. There we go. Usually when it sounds like it's speeding up, it usually works. Oh shit, it's working now. It was working before. Got to level like 13. And started fucking up on me. My friend has the Modern Warfare 2 edition, and he can't even read Halo 3, so it's kind of ironic. I made a new account because my other one got banned for 10th lobbies and shit. I can still do 10th lobbies. I don't charge, it's kind of a waste of time to charge. Let's see how this goes. When it hits the 5-minute mark, I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop right now so I can play this game. Alright, thanks.